Students' perception on using blended learning instruction to enhance the learning experience of Grade 9 Visual Graphic Design ICT students. I'm Rizzaleen G, Lapid, Teacher 3 from Rosario National High School. Introduction. Blended learning instruction, an approach that combines face-to-face and online learning experiences. In this study, I use Google Classroom. It is a free web service platform developed by Google for schools that aims to simplify creating, distributing, and grading activities in a paperless way. Research questions. Number 1. What are the students' perception on using blended learning in terms of motivation, attitudes, cognitive development, expectation? Question number 2. What are the experiences of students on using blended learning instruction? Scope and limitation. Target respondents of the study were the 30 selected grade 9 students of Rosario National High School who are taking Visual Graphic Design ICT TLE specialization. Methodology. This study used purposive sampling. Data was collected using survey questionnaire to find out the perception of grade 9 students. Results and discussion. For indicator number 1, students' motivation makes the subject more interesting. For the weighted mean, so we have 3.60. Verbal description, strongly agree. For the students who prepare using the Google Classroom rather than paper and pencil, weighted mean, so we have 3.40, strongly agree. For the overall average mean for under students' motivation, so weighted mean, so we have 3.48, strongly agree. Indicator number 2, students' attitude. Interested in using Google account, weighted mean, so we have 3.52, strongly agree. Ability to learn on their own, weighted mean, 2.96, agree. Students' attitudes, overall average mean, we have 3.18, verbal description, agree. Number 3 indicator, students' cognitive development. It helps me think critically. With a weighted mean 3.52, verbal description, strongly agree. Ability to answer the activity by myself, weighted mean, we have 3.12, agree. For the overall average mean under students' cognitive development, we have 3.28, agree. Indicator number 4, students' expectations. Wish to access Google Classroom without the internet, 3.64, weighted mean. Verbal description, we have strongly agree. Integrate Google Classroom in all subjects, weighted mean, so we have 3.04. Verbal description, agree. With the overall average mean under students' expectation, we have 3.39. Verbal description, strongly agree. Conclusion. The respondents were motivated and cognitive development was enhanced by the utilization of blended learning instruction. Students were given opportunity to learn not only inside the classroom but also experience blended learning instruction. Third, it encouraged students to accomplish activities in their own time frame. And last, it can be suggested to be part of intervention or remediation, especially for the student at risk. Thank you.